When you want to harvest, you have to test it and press it and
Okay.
see whether it is soft. If it is hardened, know that it is too much matured for cooking. So you have to leave it for seed, for next planting.
Okay. So can you demonstrate to us how we could um, get it off the tree? I mean, practical harvesting.
Okay.
Um, and maybe while harvesting, if there are certain things we need to take into consideration too, you can show us.
Okay. So this, you see, this one like this.
Mm.
You know, anytime you come, then the final one at the top, this is what you are going to consider,
Okay.
because the second one to that one may be the matured one.
Okay.
So you have to leave it for seeding.
Okay.
You have to use it for the seed that you are going to plant for the next season.
Mm.
So the next one, but this one, if I want to harvest it, then I have to cut it this way,
Okay.
from here.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Is there a reason? Please, you get a fresh one and cut for us to see. We want, we want. So you first press it.
Press it and
Okay.
see whether it is soft.
It is soft.
So you cut it here at the
Okay.
mouth
Okay.
from the stalk.
Okay.
Then you cut it this way.
Okay. All right. So you repeat same for all the trees,
Yes, all the tree,
all the plants
all the
in the
plants.
farm.
Yes,
Okay.
but what happened is that I planted them in lines,
Okay.
so I go according to the line, so
Mm.
that I will not miss up on the
Okay.
way.
So is there a day interval that
Yes,
you
every
harvest?
4 days.
Mm.
When you come on the fifth day, then most of them will be hardened, and you
Okay.
cannot use it for food.
Okay. So every 4 days
Every 4 days,
you
we
harvest
harvest.
for market.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So so in situations where you spray, how long does it take before you harvest again for market?
Okay, I don't spray it.
Okay.
The time that I sprayed it, that was a fertilizer
Okay.
at the early stage,
Okay.
for the fruiting,
Uh-huh.
so that it will bear fruit
Uh-huh.
very big, or
Mm.
for market,
Okay.
so that it will be appealing for people to buy.
Okay.
Uh,
So this particular farm, when you planted, how long did it take for you to start harvesting
it's
the
about
fruits?
2.5 months.
2.5 months, not up to 3 months.
No.
Okay, I see. So, how has the yield been?
Oh, this one is okay.
Mm,
The fruiting is okay. It's good.
okay.
Uh,
So, is there something you do so that the fruits come more?
yes, you spray it with fertilizer.
Okay,
Uh,
okay,
I didn't use a solid fertilizer,
okay,
but I used liquid fertilizer.
okay. So, how do you control the weed?
The
Any
wheat,
weedy side?
okay, I use some part. I use Glamazon,
Okay.
but I was very careful.
Uh-huh.
When it touches the leaves,
Uh-huh.
it will die.
Okay.
But if you are careful, you
Mm,
can do it. But you have to be careful.
okay.
The word is careful.
Careful.
Careful. You have to be very careful. Uh,
Okay. I see. So, what was the highest number of baskets you've harvested since you started?
Now I have about that black
Mm-hmm.
black
Bowl.
rubber bowl.
Okay.
That now I have about 6 to 7.
6 to 7.
Uh,
Okay. So I am told that the okra has some small thorns on it. So if you don't use
hand
gloves,
gloves.
it will bruise.
Yeah, sometimes you feel the pitch.
Okay.
It will pinch you small small,
Okay.
but it's not to hurt you.
Okay.
When it touches your body, it itches.
Okay.
The leaves, and
Mm,
then the okra itself itches.
okay.
Uh,
So now let me take you a little bit away, and then we will still return to the farm. Many refer to you as Beza Beza. What is it? Yes, yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
Uh,
I was a teacher.
okay,
I went to training college at
okay.
Amenjofe for
Uh,
3 years. I came out and I was posted to Eastern Region. There I worked for 32 years.
okay,
And finally I retired as senior housemaster.
okay. So where have they been getting the Beza from?
Basically, when I was in school,
Okay,
I was doing well in accounting,
okay.
and it came to a time when exam.
Mm-hmm.
I had 98 over 100.
Okay.
So there, then my friends started calling me Besa.
Okay.
So that's the name.
Okay. I see. Okay. So now that you are in retirement, what motivated you to go into okra farming?
Okay, when I came back,
Mm,
I didn't have anything to support myself.
okay.
So I was just in the store. I
Mm,
don't do any exercise. I just sit down. Then I saw that no, I have to do something as an exercise.
okay.
So I decided to
Mm,
enter into okra farming
okay.
and then the maize.
Okay.
Uh,
So what advice do you have for young people who um, want to go into farming?
oh, okra farming, there's a money in it
Mm,
because every 4 days you get something.
okay.
Every 4 days
Mm,
you harvest and you sell, so you
okay.
get money. It's better than to sit down idly and be looking for money from somewhere or begging somebody to help you. When I
Mm,
was young, this is what
okay.
I used to sponsor my education.
Okay.
And I was doing okra farm, tomatoes farm, and then the
Mm,
maize.
okay.
So I decided that no, let me do it and support myself
Mm,
because now my income is not all that big,
okay.
which and most of my children are going
Mm,
to tertiary.
okay.
So I have to do something to support
Mm,
what I was having.
yes. I realized that when you were cutting the okra, you were careful, and then the cutlass was quite sharp. Why didn't you just pluck it off the tree, the
Oh,
plant?
I don't want to hurt the main plant
Okay.
so that the next time it can bear fruit.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why you have to be very careful so that you don't
Okay.
cut it
All right.
or
Mm,
get a wound on it.
okay. So now let's look at how much did it cost you all to set up this farm?
Oh, yeah, it was here
Mm-hmm.
12 arm rope
Okay.
square
Mm-hmm.
is 70 cities
Okay. When they wait for
when they
you.
weed for you.
Okay.
Uh,
Mm,
so they weeded and I bought chemicals to spray.
okay.
After that, then I bought the seed. The
Let's
seed,
see.
one bottle is 100 cities.
So how many bottles did you use here?
I use about four,
Four
four
bottles.
bottles.
Okay. But I'm very certain that in the next season you wouldn't have to buy
Oh
seed
no,
because
I
you would
have
have
plenty
gotten
seed.
seed.
The one
Okay.
you are seeing on it now,
Okay.
they are the seed that I'm going to harvest.
Oh, okay.
Uh, you
All
can
right.
see, I saw some
Mm,
somebody. I saw some.
mm.
It started, it started
Yeah, I
there.
also saw a dried one.
Yeah, under it.
Where is it
Uh,
hiding? I also saw it.
I saw it somewhere.
Mm, okay. Yeah, they are there.
Uh-huh.
They are there.
So those ones,
Let me show it to our viewers. So,
something like this.
uh,
Something like this.
okay. Yeah. Okay. So this become the
The
seed.
seed.
Okay. Oh wow.
So with this, I'm going to get money out of it
Okay.
because I'm also going to sell. So
Uh,
what I have
okay.
invested
And
in,
you said
I'm
the
going to,
seed, a bottle is.
a beer bottle is
Uh,
100 cities.
please, if any of you need seed to buy, get in touch. I will leave the number so that you can get. We will get it delivered to you wherever you are. And the issue is just about getting it to Accra,
Mm.
and then you will get it. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, wow. So that is about them. Then when it started fruiting, the weeding, did you employ labor?
Oh no, no.
Oh,
I
okay.
weeded it myself. Only this one that I
Okay.
have so many work to do, so I decided to
To let them weed
do it
in.
for me.
So let me see something. When they weed inside the okra, is the pricing different from when they do normal day work?
Oh, no,
It's still the
the
70.
same, the same.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Even this one will be more than 70 because they are going to use hoe.
Okay.
If you use cutlass, it's
Uh-huh.
70.
But they are using who?
Hoe.
Okay. I see. Is there any challenge that you faced here when you started?
Oh, the only challenge is that sometimes if I come, I see that some people came and pick some.
Hey!
Uh, some human being. Some people came and
It's
they
not
pick some.
easy because they know you're a church
Yeah.
leader.
They will come and pick some.
All
They will
right.
not see the person too.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
They will not also say that they have come
they
to
will not tell you.
pick okolo. So I realized that your maize was destroyed by animals,
Yes.
goats, and then sheep.
Chiefs.
Now, I wanted to know Do they also eat okra?
Yes, they eat okra. But wonderfully, when they came, they didn't touch the okra.
Oh,
By then, this one was fresh. And if
okay.
you see the leaves, very green
Okay.
because I applied the fertilizer. So
Okay.
it was doing well.
I see. So, any final word before we go? But let me ask, how is the market? Are you having challenge with the
Oh,
market?
unfortunately, this time the market okra is in the market,
Okay.
so the price is not all that appealing.
But currently, how much is a basket going for?
Okay, that black bowl,
Bow, the black bow.
bowl,
Yes, yes.
and the highest I got was 50 cedis.
50 cities.
Uh,
Kai, it has dropped.
uh,
But I think the black bow is bigger than the basket.
yes, it's bigger than the basket.
Oh, it is serious because I learned as at
Is it the customers
February.
always go to Savifa, but they don't come here.
I learned even in February they sold okra one basket 500.
Even maybe 2 weeks to come,
Uh,
the price will shoot up
again.
because those who are harvesting now, theirs will go off.
Okay.
And because the one I'm having down there now, I don't have anything on it again.
Okay. Okay. I get it. So, what do you think would be a solution for this price fluctuation? If you are a farmer
If
and
you are
you
a
don't
farmer,
want
you
to be
have to do it earlier.
okay.
I wanted to do it from November to December. If you do it that way, that time you meet the market
Okay.
and you get higher price.
Okay.
But majority of the people started planting after Xmas.
Okay.
So I also planted after Xmas.
Okay.
So we all came to meet
And now
in
the
the market.
supply is
It's more
high.
than the demand.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. So, any final word, then we can go.
Oh, it's very lucrative venture.
Okay.
So if somebody has a land, he can invest in it and you get his money back.
Yes.
You get his money back.
Okay.
Because every 4 days you are going to see money.
Okay.
Every 4 days you are going to get money.
Okay.
So if you invest in it, it's very good venture.
Okay. All right. So that is Deacon Kudio, Charles Kudio. He is a revered deacon of the Church of Pentecost and also a retired teacher who served for so many years. And even from where he retired, he was the senior house father over there before coming to retirement. And now here is he just using okra as a passive source of income. And he's encouraging all of us that we can also do same to earn a living. Thank you, and remember to subscribe. And for those who would need some of the okra seeds, he's ready, and I think that we'll have enough to supply you with. So you just link up and you'll get your order executed for you. Thank you. Dicky, thank you for speaking to us. It was very educative and then inspiring.
You're welcome.
We are grateful.
You're welcome.
Good.